Why do these turtles seem to ask for a cleaning? These turtles appear enthusiastic as the caretaker begins cleaning the pool. They swim closer, as if they know it's their special care time. Although a turtle's shell lacks nerve endings, they can sense pressure and changes on their body. That's why they approach, perhaps to relieve the burden of algae sticking to their shell. This process not only makes the turtles feel more comfortable, but also helps them stay healthy.